going to give the prior bad acts instruction. I did that in regard to the Aruba incident, if you want to call it that. I gave a prior bad acts instruction before that testimony came in. I also gave the instruction that I will also give on the state of mind of John O'Keefe as to his state of mind being known by the defendant and the likelihood that she would act on it. So Commonwealth versus Binns in those cases.
Your Honor, with regard to Aruba, we don't believe that there was really any testimony that came in.
I thought it came in through Kaylee. I should say it did come in through Kaylee. That's when I gave the prior bad acts instruction. She testified.
Withdraw that.
Okay. All right, so did I give it any other time that there's another event that I should highlight? I don't think so.